It's said that an empty beer bottle can cause more damage than a full one. To test this rumor, Jamie brought in a helmet designed specifically for football players and installed a gravity sensor inside it. Once everything was set up, Jamie struck the helmet using a full beer bottle with considerable force. But no matter how hard he hit, the bottle wouldn't break. However, the impact force registered an astonishing 100 Gs, strong enough to cause a serious concussion. Since the helmet absorbs some of the energy, they took it off and ran the test again. This time, the bottle shattered easily. Jamie kept going until he was satisfied after the 7th hit. On average, the object experienced about 28 Gs of force. Next, they tested the empty bottle, again collecting data from 7 impacts. But this time, the numbers didn't support the rumor. The average force was only 13 Gs, much lower than with the full bottle. Contrary to the myth, the results raised concerns for Adam, who suspected flaws in the experiment's design. That's because Jamie wasn't hitting with the same strength or angle each time, causing the impact force to vary with each strike. To reduce these inconsistencies, they decided to switch to a mechanical arm for more consistent blows. To better visualize the effects, Adam made a gelatine brain, like a jiggly model of the real thing. When hit, you could clearly see how the brain moved and what might lead to a concussion. With everything ready, the robotic arm delivered its first blow. It might not look too bad in real time, but in slow motion, you can really see the damage. The brain jostled violently inside, bouncing back and forth. According to medical experts, that's definitely enough to cause a concussion. They then repeated the test using an empty beer bottle. Comparing the two videos, it seemed like the full bottle packed a harder punch, but the experiment wasn't over yet.